Number 3 is lexical dyscalculia. And these are the ones that struggle with reading numbers. Like whereas you say, oh, you have five naira and you bought biscuit of 3 naira. How much do you have left? What's in law? They don't understand what you're saying. Yeah, so they have struggles also with identifying signs. When you say the signs, they understand, but when you write it down, they often mix it up or forget what the symbol mean in every exercises, in every activity. Yeah, so these are the ones too that will struggle with understanding greater than and less than. You'll be wondering, where is greater than? Which sign means greater than? Which one means less than? So these are the ones that when you're teaching them, use audio learning. Use audio learning to work with them. Use color coding. Break their own math into smaller tasks so that they understand better. Because most time they confuse numbers that look similar to. So you say it's dyslexia. No, it's not dyslexia. This is lexical dyscalculia. Then we'll be going to number 4. Number 4 is graphical dyscalculia. I know you've seen this very well, but you don't know that is what it's called. You know that will write 1 2 as 1 to 12 as 21. Those that will write 31 as 13. Those that will write 23 as 32. That's graphical dyslexia, dyscalculia. Yeah, they struggle with writing things in their order. So they will struggle with ordering numbers. They will struggle with when you say write numbers in twos, write number in reverse order. They struggle a lot. These ones will struggle with it than the usual. So how do you help them? First of all, they're the ones that don't know how to arrange numbers in equations. When you say arrange equations, they struggle with it. So I'm giving you now from those that will struggle from the small to the equation level. Okay, so how do you help them? Use graph sheets to help them. Use, those regular box numbers. Use it to help them to learn to align their numbers. Because when you say 3 plus 2, write out 3 plus 2. They might write 3 here and write 2 in another place. And then they don't know that it's to be added together under the same, they will struggle with place values. Okay, so how do you help them? Like I said, graph, use the normal maths book, the boxed book. And also supervise them. So visual guide is really needed. Supervision, close supervision, and scaffolding. You said I've been mentioning scaffolding a lot. You can't help a struggling learner without using scaffolding. So we have diagnostic dyscalculia, and these ones are the ones that struggle with operational maths. They struggle with operational maths, they struggle with equations, they struggle with decimals, they struggle with fractions. So anything that has moved from the simple maths, they start struggling with it. So this, I think, basically, it's for primary. And I think I've listed that out too. I've mentioned over and over again how to help, but I just needed to break every type of dyscalculia out so that you will know which one every child is struggling with. You can't say lexical dyscalculia is struggling with fraction or operational maths. No. Now, operational dyscalculia will struggle with remembering or will struggle with doing multiple step calculations. The long division, long multiplication. A child with operational dyscalculia will struggle. So because you're saying, but operational one was the first other one. No, this one, operational dyscalculia here, the child will be struggling with multiple step calculations. So what do? As in almost when I say by now you should be knowing what to do. Yeah, based on the strategies I've been mentioning since. So step-by-step instructions, supervision, line box, and all that I've mentioned from the beginning. So you now start picking what to fix in, because something about this thing is you can use one step for the other step just based on the child's learning style and temperamental trait, the child's preference. And you as a teacher will know exactly. So that's why one size doesn't fit all. You can't say, oh, this was Sharon, can you give me a handbook? No, one cannot work for all. You are working with a child, so your method or strategy should be based on what is ongoing with that child presently. I hope you've learned one or two, and I can't wait to start seeing implementation, because learning without implementation is as good as not even learning anything at all. Because you're taking your time, you're taking your resources, your data is involved, your eye is involved. You had to leave other things to come to this. So if you are sitting here and watching this video without going straight ahead to implement it immediately, it's as good as you didn't even take this class. So apart from certificate, implementation and experience is also key. I'm Prestelma Igwe, the anointed teacher, learning difficulty expert, and SEN consultant. Until I come your way again in the next